Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P16E2-00 refers to a communication error between the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and the alternator via the local interconnect network, LIN communication system. The alternator's primary role is to generate electrical power for the vehicle's systems while the engine is running, and it also charges the battery. The LIN is a communication protocol used to transmit information between various components in the vehicle. The error indicates that the PCM cannot receive expected signals from the alternator, hence it registers the error code. This condition may arise if there is a loose connection at the alternator's positive battery terminal, plus B, which is responsible for providing power to the alternator. It's essential to address this issue promptly, as it could lead to electrical system failures or battery drain. You can diagnose the problem following specific troubleshooting steps outlined by the manufacturer to pinpoint the exact cause of the error. The P16E2 error signifies that the Powertrain Control Module, commonly referred to as the PCM, has detected issues with signals being communicated from the alternator. The primary affected component in this scenario is the alternator, which plays a pivotal role in charging the vehicle's 12-volt battery while generating energy for various electrical systems. The LIN communication protocol, which stands for Local Interconnect Network, is utilized within Honda vehicles to facilitate communication between critical components such as the PCM, battery sensor, and the alternator itself. If a signal from the alternator is missing or incorrect, the PCM registers this discrepancy through DTC P16E2. In the Honda CR-V, the alternator is typically located near the front of the engine compartment, making it accessible but requiring careful inspection to ensure all connections, especially the plus B terminal, are secure and intact. Understanding the possible causes of the P16E2 error can significantly aid in troubleshooting. The most straightforward explanation for this error is a loose terminal on the alternator's positive battery terminal, which may prevent proper electrical contact or signal transmission. Additionally, issues can arise from faulty LIN communication. The LIN system relies on a network of wires that transmit critical information between the alternator and the PCM. A break or short in this wiring can lead to communication losses. Furthermore, a defective PCM might also contribute to the error by failing to process signals accurately. Identifying which of these issues is present is paramount in effectively resolving the DTC. When DTC P16E2 is stored, several symptoms may present themselves that should not be overlooked. One common indicator is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, particularly those related to the engine or charging system. Drivers may notice electrical system malfunctions, such as dimming lights or issues with power accessories, indicating that the alternator isn't generating adequate power. Furthermore, there might be noticeable problems with battery charging, leading to difficulty starting the vehicle or battery drain when the engine is off. These symptoms can give drivers valuable insight into potential electrical issues and underscore the importance of addressing the P16E2 DTC as soon as possible. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P16E2 involves a careful inspection of the alternator, specifically verifying that the positive battery terminal is tightly secured. Loose connections are often the root cause of this error. Following this, the integrity of the LIN communication lines should be assessed, ensuring that there are no frayed wires, breaks, or other issues that could interrupt communication between the alternator and PCM. Additionally, all related components, such as the 12-volt battery sensor and DC-DC converter, should be evaluated for proper connectivity and functionality. These steps not only help pinpoint the issue, but can also prevent further complications if addressed immediately. In this step, you will need to perform inspections while ensuring that certain components are disconnected. Begin by disconnecting the alternator connector, PCM connector, shutter grille connector, 12-volt battery sensor connector, and DC-DC converter connector. This ensures that you can accurately assess the state of each component and detect any wiring faults. It is crucial to verify the integrity of all connections when they are unplugged, particularly checking for any signs of corrosion or damage that could be affecting connectivity. Use a multimeter to check for shorts in the wiring. An open circuit would indicate faulty wiring or a defective component. This systematic approach allows for precise diagnostics. Once all connectors have been inspected and any potential issues identified, the next step involves reconnecting the connectors one at a time. Start with the PCM connector, followed by the shutter grille connector, 12-volt battery sensor connector, and finally, the DC-DC converter connector. After each reconnection, check for any abnormal readings or new error codes that may appear, which could signify miscommunication or failure in any individual component. Anomalies in readings will direct further focus on which specific element is at fault. This meticulous process ensures no component is overlooked, leading to successful identification of the root cause. The final inspection step focuses on confirming that all DTC codes have been cleared and conducting a thorough evaluation of PCM functionality. Following the inspections and any repairs, perform a DTC check to see if the P16E2 code reappears. If cleared and not present, further evaluations of the PCM can reveal if it's functioning correctly. This step is crucial because if the PCM is malfunctioning, it may need to be replaced to resolve the P16E2 code for good. Documenting all findings and repairs meticulously is essential for future reference and for providing accurate information during subsequent service visits. After completing all troubleshooting steps, a final repair verification is vital to ensure the issue has been resolved. Begin by performing a comprehensive diagnostic scan of the vehicle to confirm that no new or existing DTCs are present, particularly P16E2. If the code is cleared and no others have flagged, it's time to conduct a test drive of the vehicle to monitor its performance under normal operating conditions. During this test, pay attention to any signs of abnormal behavior within the electrical system, such as flickering lights or issues with power distribution. These final checks ensure that the repairs made have restored full functionality to the vehicle's electrical systems. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's electrical system and preventing DTC P16E2 from recurring. Regular checks of connections, particularly at the alternator's positive battery terminal, can help avoid issues due to loose connections. Monitoring the overall health of the electrical system, including the battery, alternator, and LIN components, can identify potential problems early before they escalate. It is also advisable to service the alternator periodically to ensure it operates efficiently and that its wiring remains in good condition. By implementing these maintenance strategies, the likelihood of encountering communication errors can be significantly reduced. In conclusion, the DTC P16E2 indicates a communication error between the PCM and the alternator, which needs prompt attention to prevent electrical system failures. Understanding the role of key components, including the PCM and alternator, is essential for effective troubleshooting. This guide provides a detailed pathway for diagnosing and resolving the error through a systematic approach. Troubleshooting ensures that each element is evaluated for functionality and proper connectivity. Implementing preventive maintenance will protect against future issues. Ultimately, addressing this DTC expedites the return of reliable performance to the Honda CR-V, ensuring a dependable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.